For this video, I'm going to show you how to start a command line version of Yast and how to update your system with it. I will also show you how to install programs using Yast as well. To start Yast, you first must have root privileges. So for convenience, I just use the su command and become root. Now type in Yast to begin the program. As you see, the command line version of Yast is not as flashy as the GUI version. But when you scroll through the options, pretty much the same. To update your system, select Software and push Enter. Now you can scroll up and down on the second list on the right. What we want is the online update. So we hit Enter again, or we use Alt and the letter R combination to run it too. Now as you can see, it's updating the repositories to current. Once that's finished, we now have the update screen. Notice there's nothing there. In the middle you will see what the updates are set to, and they're set to needed patches. To change this, use the Alt key and the letter F combination to pull down the filter option at the top. Now you will see several different options that you can select from. Needed patches, installed patches, recommended, security, optional, all patches, and search. What I will do for this demonstration is select the All Patches option. Even though these updates are just dummy updates for testing, we can still use these to show you how easy it is to select your updates and run them. To select an update, highlight it and use the spacebar to make your selection. The plus sign will show up next to the name to show that it's marked for installation. In a gray box below, it will provide you with what type of patch it is, the version number, and will also provide you a short description of what the patch does. When you're done selecting your patches and updates, you can either use F10 to accept it, or the Alt and the letter A combination to begin the installation. Once it's done, it will return you to the main menu. Now I will show you how to install a program. You want to scroll down one and highlight the Software Management option and press Enter. It will once again try to update your repositories. Now we have a different kind of screen than what we had with the update screen. In the upper left hand corner, you will now see a search box. Next to it is where the list of packages will be displayed. And starting from bottom left, you can select the search parameters, and next to it is a description box. I think I'll do a search for Samba. As you see, the box on the right fills with the packages that have the word Samba, either in the name or the description. You will notice that some of the packages have the letter I next to them, and this means that those packages are already installed on your system. You can use the arrow keys to navigate up and down the list, and when you highlight Samba and use the spacebar, as you can see, it changes from an I to a greater than sign. The greater than sign just means to update it. So if you think there's an update for it, you can select the greater than sign, and when you click accept, it will try to update that package. Now there's also a minus sign option if you hit spacebar one more time, and that means to delete that package or to uninstall it from your system. So we'll just leave that at plus, and I'll scroll down and select the Samba test and install it. Now I'll tab around until I get back to the search box. And now I'll do a search for AutoFS, and then select it to install it as well. Once done, use the F10 key to accept, and now you can see that those packages and any dependencies that it needed are being installed. Once the install is done, you are now presented with a summary screen. It tells you the number of packages installed, what the name of the packages are, the time it took to install, the total size of installation, and the total size of the packages that were downloaded. Now just push F10 again to finish, and you will now return to the main menu. And now we can use F9 to exit out of Yast, and you are now done. So thank you for watching this video. This has been a Turtleman production. And we're also now featured at www.yast.com. winchesterpc.com/tutorials.